So we're going back to that word salad slide because we had some questions on it a little bit earlier. If we look at this and see it as almost as bad as a DoD level kind of presentation with, boy, lots of squiggly lines and words and acronyms on it, I just want to know, with the way that the government is coming out in the IT modernization report saying, just go do this, all right? Here's this, DevOps seems to be the word of the day. I want one of these. Go buy it. Go find a vendor to sell that to you. So Dr. Lasky, I'm going to start with you because you started with some of the agile and lean methodologies. Where do I buy a DevOps process, and who sells it today?
So this is a great question. I've tried to figure out. I've heard some people say, do everything at once. Just jump in and get started with everything, because otherwise you're going to declare victory when things are too small. Well, that may be true, but how many DevOps engineers do we have on the market that know everything from soup to nuts, and we're going to get them at government rates?
Mm-hmm.
When we're looking at this, it's kind of interesting. This is version 4.5 of the Scaled Agile Framework. This is one of the methodologies for scaling. There's Scrums, there's less, there's several others. But the main thing that changed in this, in version 4.5, was this piece right in here, the continuous delivery pipeline. And they had a description of something like that in version 4.0, but it was a little fuzzy. And what they've done is, and there used to be a block somewhere over here, so notice we have lean agile mindset and lean agile leaders and these principles that come in here. And what we're doing is we're capturing really right in here. This is the DevOps. They spend a lot of time on the idea of continuous exploration. How do we know what the problems are? How do we know what we're really after? What does the solution look like? And then the continuous integration, continuous deployment, that's more standard of the DevOps. But the idea that we always come with, and part of what we have to explain to our government customers, is this is chugging along as quickly as it can to develop capability, to deliver capability, to have capability ready for this release on demand. It isn't saying that all of us are going to be Amazon and have 12,000 releases in a day. I don't even know what the number is now. It's something ridiculous. But maybe it's once a month that you understand what that is and do it. But it isn't 5 years, and that's the important part.